Hello everyone. Today talking about the ROSE rule. It's a simple tool used in emergency room to assess the risk level of patients presenting with an undifferentiated syncope. It includes 7 criteria which can be remembered by the mnemonic braces, where B stands for BNP level more than 300 picogram per ml. Again B stands for bradycardia, where heart rate less than or equal to 50 in emergency department. R stands for rectal examination, showing fecal occult blood if suspicion of GI bleed. A stands for anemia, wherein hemoglobin less than 9 gram per dl. C stands for chest pain with syncope. E stands for ECG showing Q wave, except in lead 3. S stands for saturation less than 94% at room air. If any of this criteria was present, then patient should be considered as high risk. It helps in avoiding unnecessary admissions from emergency department. This clinical rule must be used along with the clinician's judgment, history, complete physical examination and bedside investigations being performed.